Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy the PYUSD coin on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we will select the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Click on it to open the purchasing overview, and now you can select the purchasing frequency. I would like to use a one-time purchase, but if you would like to buy them daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly, just select it in this list, and after that fill in the amount of cash you would like to use for this buy. As you can see, I'm using 110 euros, and now we can select the PayPal USD coin. Just tick in pay, and there is the PayPal USD coin. Select it, and after that we can select our payment method to buy those coins. I use my MasterCard, as you can see, but you can change it over here by just clicking on it. If you don't have any available options, make sure your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button below. Follow the steps, select it, and after that we will click on Review Order. Just click on it, and now they will show us some information about the purchase. As you can see, I'm spending 100 euros and I don't pay any Coinbase fee. That is because I have a Coinbase One account, a subscription, and that is a lot of savings from the Coinbase fee. After that, you can select the Invest Weekly option, then you will start spending 100 euros every week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, and after that you can click on Buy Now to add those coins to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!